This simple sauce is made quickly in a blender. Combine cranberries, maple syrup, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and mustard in a blender. Add salt and pepper to taste. Puree until smooth, set aside until ready to use. Next, combine quinoa and chicken broth in a medium saucepan over high heat. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat to a simmer, and cover the pan. Cook until the quinoa is tender. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Spread the squash on one of the sheets and spread the onion on the other sheet. Drizzle each with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until tender. Roasting the squash and onion will bring out their natural sweetness. Place drained white beans on one of the just-used baking sheets and place in oven for 3 to 5 minutes to warm through. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the minced shallot and garlic and sauté for just 1 to 2 minutes. Add the riced cauliflower and cook, stirring occasionally for 5 to 10 minutes. Add fresh rosemary and thyme, tossing to combine. Keep the riced cauliflower warm until ready to serve. Fill one half of the bowl with riced cauliflower and fill the other half with the quinoa. Add the roasted butternut squash on top of the riced cauliflower. Pour the white beans neatly next to the squash. Next to the white beans, set the kale ribbons on top of the quinoa. Place the red onions in between the beans and kale. Pour the pecans in the center of the ingredients. Arrange the pear slices in a fan shape on top of the center. Drizzle the salad with cranberry sauce and serve.